Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced peppermint tea. First, bring 8 ounces of fresh water to a rolling boil. Next, place 2 peppermint tea bags or 2 teaspoons of loose leaf peppermint tea into a heat-proof mug. Pour the hot water over the tea and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. This longer steeping time ensures a robust flavor that won't be diluted by ice. Once your tea has steeped, carefully remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea to separate the leaves. While the tea is still hot, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of your favorite sweetener, like sugar or honey, until it fully dissolves. This ensures even distribution. Then, let the tea cool down completely to room temperature before moving to the next step. Now for the fun part. Grab a tall 16-ounce glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. The more ice, the colder your tea will be. Carefully pour your completely cooled peppermint tea over the ice. For a refreshing touch, consider adding a sprig of fresh mint or a thin slice of lemon. This not only looks great but also enhances the flavor. Your refreshing iced peppermint tea is now ready to enjoy. Take a moment to savor the cool, crisp flavor. If you have any leftover tea, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It's perfect for a quick pick-me-up anytime. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals we've found just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.